Hey there, fellow road traveler. Welcome. I'm John the Mouse. I have been in the trucking industry for over 20 years. I have been sharing different sites along the way and will continue to tell you my raw stories, expert tips, and must-know insights for your home and business to keep you rolling. Learn the ins and outs of heavy machinery, master road conditions, and drive alongside the different trucking lifestyle. Whether you're a driver, traveler, gearhead, or just love the cheese of the matter, gear up and let's travel this great highway together. Hey you! Yeah, you behind the wheel of that hard-working beast that's hauling America's freight, day in and day out. Are you looking for a truck wash or a trailer washout in the Chicago area? This small place might be what you're looking for. Let's go back to the year 2003. Francisco Navarro, a family man that was grinding away in the concrete business. He pours his hard sweat into his business. Navarro's Concrete Incorporated, just like any small company, they needed to find more cash flow. In 2015, he expanded into truck washing. He utilized the property that he had into more of a revenue stream by offering other services. He was already repairing his own equipment and had expanded into repairing other people's equipment during the slow times of his concrete business. As you can see in the footage, it does take a little work to get inside the building. They come out to help get you inside the building. During my visit there, I got a semi-trailer washed out. I give them 5 out of 5 stars for getting me in right away. It did help that I was the only truck there. The trailer received a clean and thorough wash job to wash away the remains of hauling meat. So if you're in the area, you should check them out. I truly appreciate you spending time with us today. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you as part of the John the Mouse University. I can't wait to see you there. Here's a few videos you might enjoy. Thanks again. Until we meet again.